WPLBv2 control panel. And let's go to featured panel again. Okay, so yeah, basically you're just nominating which, we've only got one category actually for the articles. That's all selected, but that's not going to do it. You actually need to go to the post itself and make sure that you've got an image selected as featured image. Otherwise, they won't show up. Now, that deleting that I did of the images isn't entirely necessary, but what it would mean is on the actual post itself, okay, if we go here, if we hadn't deleted that original image, we'd have two images the same here, a square one and an elongated one. So I just deleted the default image there. That's it, folks. That's pretty much how you go about rebuilding your site using oh, we've missed something out here. Okay, what have we missed? We've missed the title along here. Let's just do that. Okay, so we've got local electrician company. We can remember that. What are we going to do? We're going to go to here. Okay, header. Okay, so that says, let's just see, in the original one, we want to go to, again, to plugins. I'm kind of all over the place here, but you get the idea. We go to the original control panel in the plugin. We go to the header, and where the text for the very thin area, okay, the top, the thin banner at the top, we just copy that. We're going to copy it in here. Okay, paste it in there, I beg your pardon. And then the main text, what do we have? We could copy it. Local electrician company, that's pretty easy to do. Local electrician company. Okay, that's done. And the sub-headline was what did we have? The sub-headline was subtext, but okay. The best electrical contractors in your town. We'll copy and paste that in. Okay, so that's here. Of course, the effects and the colours and everything, you can change all that if you want to. We won't get into that in this one. We just basically want to replicate or rebuild what we've already got. So we go back. Here's our new site. Okay, and we're just going to click refresh. And yeah, there you go. It's really, really looking like the original. You can see there's the original. Okay, and if you restore version 1.6.1 or 1.6.3, whatever you're using, it will go back to what it was originally. So that, yeah, look, there's a little bit of formatting to do there. We've got to change the color of this text here, and we've got to upload the image for the footer. We haven't done that yet, but oh yeah, the other thing we've got to do here is, what do we got to do here? We've got to put in the details for the site credits, which is pretty easy to do. Again, site credits, they're in the footer, aren't they? Okay, so we'll just select all, okay, and copy, and we go back to the new control panel, and that's in footer. Okay, so site credits again, okay, paste. We won't load up a phone image and put in the phone number, but that's pretty easy for you to follow, pretty easy for you to do. And let's go back and refresh here. We should get our site credits showing up now. Okay, yep, there they are. Site credits showing up with the link and everything. So you can pretty much see it's a copy and paste idea. We do need to recreate our H card, and to do that is pretty easy to do. The H card, it's using our new WP SEO card plugin, which we've actually hard-coded into the theme. If you get stuck, actually, just hover over any of these help tooltip bars, and away you go. So the name of the business is what? Local electrician company. We can actually. Can we? No, we can't. We'll just put local electrician company. That's the same as this one up here, actually. Where are we? Local electrician company. Kind of all over the place here. Let's just whack that in. Local electrical. Let's just change that. I had that defaulted before. Local, whatever yours is, it is, and that's what you will put in here. Okay, and electrical. It helps if I can spell. Street address is 200. I've got that in there from city was North Sydney. You're going to put all this in yourself. State was New South Wales. Zip code, country is Australia. Phone number is, yep. And the email is whatever email you want to have in there. And the URL is going to be whatever your email, or whatever your URL is. In this case, it's electrician. Okay, so whatever you put in here is actually going to stick, so make sure it's right. Okay, so in this part here, pretty easy to do. To get the coordinates for latitude and longitude, just as long as you've got the full address in here, this will work. Click Get Data, and you can see that that's populated there. The region, okay, I've done that before. You can actually go to this ISO guide here and get that, but this is AU New South Wales. Copyright notice is okay, local electricians. Okay, website by, you'd whack that in as well, local niche websites. And click in here where you want the metadata to show up, front page, single post. I want it to turn up everywhere, and again, click Save. Well, there's a separate tutorial on that, but basically that's done. And that's not going to show up in the menu yet until such times we go back to menus. What we're going to do here is to create a custom link. And if we just whack in that the WP SEO card -URL label, we just want to put in page card. Okay, I think it self generates a label anyway. So we're going to put to bottom, add to menu. Okay, that should have been added to the menu. Yes, it has been. We're going to save the menu. Okay, so that's saved. Let's go back and check our handiwork. Check the footer here. That should have shown up. And okay, there it is. Okay, so we've got that added on the end. And when I hover over that, watch what happens. See, there's our H card. Everything all shown up. You can download the V card if you want. All these links are hot links, and they work in mobile phone browsers as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We have replicated an existing site. There's a little bit of fine tuning and tweaking to go, but you can see how it's done. We've taken the original site, we've made it into the same site. We've replicated using WP-LocalBiz version 2.0. That's how to do it. I'll have more videos coming up shortly after this, but that should get you rolling. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for your patience. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for using WP-LocalBiz version 2.0. Bye now.